In 1912, the largest, most dreariest, most confidently named ship in the world set sail on its very first voyage.
It was called Unsinkable. It sank. This is the story of the Titanic. In the early 1900s, shipping companies were locked in fierce competition to build the biggest ocean liners, to build the biggest, fanciest ocean liners money could buy.
We need a ship so impressive that people forget ships sometimes sink.
What should we call it?
Something humble.
Titanic?
Perfect!
Built in Belfast, the Titanic was an engineering marvel, over 880 feet long, with towering funnels and opulent first-class interiors.
I've decided this ship cannot sink.
We didn't say that.
Too late! I've already printed it.
Note the word practically, not actually. A distinction the world would very soon come to appreciate. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic departed Southampton on its maiden voyage, carrying over 2,200 passengers and crew.
This suite is exquisite. Truly nothing could possibly go wrong on this voyage.
Reader, something was about to go wrong. I hear first class has a swimming pool. We have this hallway. Character building.
This will be my final voyage before retirement. Nothing eventful ever happens on someone's final voyage. Fear not, crew! With me at the helm, the sea itself shall tremble!
Captain, please stop saying things like that. As the Titanic steamed across the North Atlantic, it entered a region known for a very specific hazard. Icebergs drift down from Greenland in unusually large numbers.
Sir, another ship is reporting heavy ice in our path.
Thank you. File it with the others.
That's the 6th one today.
Then file it with the other 5.
Despite the warnings, the Titanic maintained a near top speed of around 22 knots through the night.
Should we slow down given the ice nornies?
And risk arriving in New York merely impressively early instead of absurdly early? Absolutely not.
At 11:40 p.m. on April 14, 1912, the lookout spotted something dark looming out of the calm, moonless sea ahead.
Iceberg right ahead! Hard to starboard!
The ship turned. Almost enough. Almost. The iceberg scraped along the starboard side of the hull, popping rivets and buckling steel plates across several compartments.
Did we hit something? Just a bit of ice, nothing to worry about. Sure? Are you sure? Give me a moment.
I designed this ship to survive 4 flooded compartments.
It's taking on water in 6.
That math does not work in our favor.
Captain, this ship is going to sink.
Surely not. It's practically unsinkable. Practically was doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence. And unfortunately, it's just clocked out.
And an engineer estimated the ship had only 1 to 2 hours left.
Captain gave the order. Prepare the lifeboats.
Sir, how many lifeboats do we have?
20.
How many people are on this ship?
Just over 2,200.
When? 20 lifeboats for 2,200 people?
I'm aware of how this sounds.
Women and children only, no exceptions.
Women and children first, but if there's room, men can board too.
Two different officers, two different interpretations.
Ma'am, please, the lifeboat is right here.
And leave this beautiful ship? Absolutely not.
The ship's sinking!
It is very slowly and allegedly sinking. I have time.
Down in third class, passengers faced a much harder time reaching the boat deck. Confusing corridor and, in some cases, physical gates that delayed access.
Gentlemen, the ship is sinking.
Should we stop playing?
Absolutely not. Panic has terrible acoustics.
By around 2 a.m., the bow was fully submerged, and the ship's stern began rising dramatically out of the water.
Is the ship supposed to be at this angle?
No.
Should I be concerned?
Yes.
At 2:20 a.m., less than 3 hours after the collision, the Titanic broke apart and disappeared beneath the surface, taking well over 1,500 people with it. Most died from drowning or hypothermia in the freezing 28-degree water. Most died from drowning or, commonly, hypothermia in the freezing 28-degree water.
Should we go back for them?
If we go back, we risk everyone in this boat.
It's one of the most haunting details of the disaster. Hundreds of empty seats floating just out of reach of people freezing to death in the water. The nearby ship RMS Karenani, roughly 58 miles away, raced through the ice field to reach the scene, arriving around 4 a.m.
Sir, that seems reckless given what just happened to the last ship that ignored ice warnings.
Noted. Continuing at full speed anyway. Headline.
Unsinkable ship sinks.
Bit on the nose, but accurate. Run it!
News of the disaster shocked the world, capturing global attention in a way few disasters had before.
Official inquiries followed in both the United States and Britain, examining everything from the ice warnings to the lifeboat shortage.
One vessel, the SS Californian, was found to have been close enough to intentionally help, but failed to respond to the Titanic's distress rockets.
From now on, every ship must have enough lifeboats for everyone aboard.
That seems like it should have already been the rule.
You'd think. New regulation mandated 24-hour radio watches and led to the creation of the International Ice Troll, which still monitors iceberg activity.
The wreck of the Titanic remained undiscovered for over 7 decades, resting more than 2 miles deep on the ocean floor.
We found it!
After 73 years?
Give or take.
Since then, the Titanic has become one of the most enduring stories in modern history, the subject of countless books, documentaries, and museum exhibits. And, of course, one extremely famous movie involving a door that may or may not have had room for 2 people. So, in summary, overconfidence, ignored warnings, inefficient lifeboats, insufficient lifeboats, and a genuinely tragic loss of life that changed maritime law forever.
Also, I tapped some Sarek little Ferric with a door that stopped an old thing. There were delays at Turl store. I've ignored days. Here's night is still fed up the thing.
Also the door thing. We're never going to stop arguing about the door thing. And that's the story of the Titanic, the unsinkable ship that became one of history's most enduring lessons in the dangers of overconfidence.
If you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments who or what I should cover next. Until then, this has been History Harbor. Thanks for watching.